Hey guys, Trey with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're taking a closer look at this Red Rock center console lockbox for the 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s. If you're looking for a way to securely store valuables, tools, or documents inside your truck, this lockbox is definitely a great option. It's ideal for Silverado owners who wanted an added layer of protection to their belongings, whether it's for work or your daily driver. The Red Rock center console lockbox provides a convenient way to keep your valuables safe inside your truck. Unlike the standard center console, which offers no real protection against theft, this lockbox is designed with a secure locking mechanism to keep items like electronics, tools, and personal documents safe. The addition of the lock means you can leave your valuables inside your truck with extra peace of mind. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the lockbox is built to resist tampering and provide durability for daily use. The black powder coat finish adds both a clean look and resistance to chipping, keeping that lockbox looking good over time. It's designed to fit directly into your Silverado center console, utilizing the existing space without compromising any functionality, while providing a significant security upgrade over the original console storage. As far as pricing on this lockbox, it's going to come in around $200, making it an affordable way to get a more secure security solution to your truck. This is cheaper than some of the other options I've seen out there, which cost upwards of $300 to $500. Installation is going to be very straightforward, rated 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty scale, and should only take you 20 minutes of your time. It's designed to fit right into your center console with self-tapping screws, making this a quick and easy added security. Now, let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers and see exactly how this is going to go into your 1500 center console.
The installation of the lockbox is pretty simple. All you'll need is either a screwdriver, or I'm going to use a Milwaukee electric screwdriver with a Phillips head bit on it. All right, today we're going to install a center console lockbox. This is for a 2014 to 18 Silverado 1500. It also fits a 2015 to 2020 Silverado HD 2500 or 3500. With the center console up, you have the jump seat in the middle here. We're going to open that up, and inside is an additional center console here. We're going to take the lockbox, and this is going to just slide right in place. Nothing to remove for the installation. As you can see, it fits in there perfectly. From the factory, it comes set with the combination to 000. You're just going to twist that to open it up. It's a spring-loaded hinge here. And we're going to take the 4 self-tapping screws and install those right through the holes that are in the side of the lockbox here. All right, it's as simple as that. So all 4 screws are in, and now it's time to just set the combination lock here. You'll see that at the top there's a little hole, and with the supplied little push pin here, we're just gonna stick that in there, and we're just gonna set the combination to just a random number right now. Once you do that, you let go. Now it's set to your combination. Close the lid, turn the lock, and it's locked. Now you can close the cover here, and no one will ever know that that's under there. Hope this helps. Thanks.
Well, that wraps up our review and install for the Red Rock center console lockbox for the 2014 to 2018 Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.